I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now search for Action Zoho CRM. Select respective data center. Now for client ID and client secret, please visit Zoho API console. Click on Get Start. Choose server-based applications. Give a name. Copy homepage URL and redirect URL from authorization page. And paste it here. Now click on Create. You can see client ID and client secret. Copy this and paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Click on Accept. Authorized successfully done. Click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see some advanced options and conditional logic. As per your requirement, you can use this. Click on Next. Our integration successfully done. Click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Let's go to Zoho CRM. On Lead module, reload this page. You can see data is created in Lead module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.